You know they don't wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no, 'cause I got you. Anytime you're under the weather, babe, we can always go. If I gotta pull up on you on the east side in a late night in a disguise, you know I could pull up on you, keep you all night. We can stay right on the safe side. One way or another, I'ma love you. Sliding undercover. They don't wanna see it happen, but we say fuck it. They don't wanna see it happen, but we say fuck it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you are going to hear a lot of sounds. Did move out of my house, so I'm now living with my boyfriend. He's over there playing some video games, so you might see the TV a little bit like change. Outside they're watching Kiki's delivery service, and I just wanted to really get this video out because hello, this is what we're working with today. Look how beautiful these shades are. Give this video a big thumbs up, as well subscribe down below if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification so you know when I make new videos. It's not that often, but you see these brushes? These are from Peaches. I literally just got them in the mail today. Super excited. There's a total of 50 brushes. Got their newest brush collection. So I'm super excited to use those. I'm probably going to try using some of those today with this palette. We're going to go ahead and go into those swatches and then into the look and then my final thoughts. All the products I use are going to be in the description box. I'll probably try to leave some links there for you guys. So here is the packaging, and we have, voila, one palette and two palettes. If you guys are wondering why I have two, it's because this formula from BPERFECT Cosmetics is an amazing formula. The original Carnival palette, and it's a little bit beat up. I have dug into quite a bit of the shade, 9 shades that I've hit pan. This packaging is so beautiful. This is huge. This is a palette that you literally can take with you everywhere. It's probably going to be my go-to. It's a little bit on the bigger side for traveling, but I love the fact that it has a mirror. Not only on the box it shows you everything, but on here too it shows you everything as well. So all the highlighters are new. I'm so obsessed with this palette. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatches. I do love the size of this. It is a little bit on the bigger side, so if I don't need to take any other palettes with me, of course I would always bring this on a carry-on. I would never put this in a check bag because I don't want it to crack, any of the shadows to crack, as well as the mirror. I do love how big the mirror is. You can see everything. If you guys can see that, you guys can see like literally everything. I don't even know how many shadows total, but we have 3 different highlighters. Great for all skin types, and these are great for like nighttime or like every day. And then we have all our vibrant shades, so I really like that. These highlighters are literally so freaking pretty. So now I'm going to go ahead and do some swatches from the Carnival palette versus the Carnival XL Pro and show you the ones that kind of look similar but aren't. Here is a refresher of what the Carnival palette looks like. These are the 2 palettes next to each other. Don't you see some colors that kind of look the same? And so this is the PC23 brush. We're going to go ahead and mix that up. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my PC22 brush. Then we're going to go ahead and go in with the shade Reckless. Now we're going to overlap in Less with Reckless and blend towards the brow. So when we're doing this, you want to make sure that you're not going too high, and you want to overlap them and blend them seamlessly. We're now going back into the shade Reckless to build up the color we lost. So now we're going to be doing a lot of blending. This is to ensure that the shades blend seamlessly together and look like a gradient, and so they don't look too choppy. So you're going to see me go ahead into different shades of Reckless and Endless and just kind of go back and forth with them. Guess I didn't realize I wasn't filming the part where I cut my crease and added the first shade, so I'm sorry for that, but we went and cut the crease with the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer as well as the P. Louise base in 0. I went in with a PC39 brush to apply the colors to the lid. The first shade I used was Ecstasy, which is that neon green color. Using the same brush, we're now taking the shade The Hype and applying it to the lid, overlapping it with Ecstasy. So if you guys can tell, I decided to start doing voiceovers rather than try to use the fan. I know this video is all over the place, but please bear with me. I'm going in with the shade Showboat, again using the same brush and just patting that onto the lid. So when we're patting this very, very lightly, because if you're patting too hard, it will make these shadows be very patchy. So now we're going into the shades Reckless and Intuition, and we're just going to go ahead and kind of deepen the crease. And we're going in also with a smaller brush, the PC38. Now we're going in with the LA Girl Cosmetics Neon Shockwave Liner in the shade Gotcha. We're just putting that on our waterline. Using the PC20 brush, we are now going to create our drop shadow. Starting off with the shade Ecstasy, we're going to go ahead and put that in the inner part of the lower lash line. Going in with the same brush using Showboat, we're going to finish off the drop shadow. And once we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and use a mascara to finish off the look. I'm using Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. And this is like my holy grail mascara. Add some highlighters now from the palette. We're taking PC17 brush using the shades Fair Play and Gold Luxe. You guys, these highlighters are so buttery and so brightening and just stunning. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I am obsessed with this. If you've seen my channel, if you've seen my videos on Instagram, pictures, you guys know that I am obsessed with the BPERFECT Carnival palette, the original, and look at the comparison to these. So fun fact for you guys, I used to never really touch into color like this. I used to be kind of plain, oh, I'll go dip into pinks and sometimes purples, but I was really more natural. But once I started following Stacey actually really inspired me to get into makeup again. I was stuck in a rut and I started recreating her looks, and I just loved color. And when she came out with this palette, I was super excited. I tried it and I fell in love. As you guys can see, I dipped into so many pans already. I mean, not everything as I would hoped I would have, but I used this so much. I bought a backup. I bought literally over 7 palettes or so to do giveaways, and also just to give to my friends because I really believed in this palette and I loved it so much. The fact that she came out with a bigger palette, this is so amazing. Honestly, this palette is literally going to be your best friend. Thank you so much, Stacey. Thank you so much, Brendan and BPERFECT. You guys are truly amazing. You've been coming out with killer products. Carnival palettes, I have the Sub-Zero highlight palette with Mitchell, and I also now have the XL Pro palette. I'm currently on the website, and they actually changed their website, so they made it so that you can see what the conversion is for you, because before it used to be just pounds, but now it is in USD because I live in the US. The regular Carnival palette, this retails for $55.95, and the Carnival XL Pro retails for $58.95, so a couple dollar difference. I would definitely go with this unless you do want some of the shades that weren't in this palette. Personally, I would grab both. You can never have too many of, especially of the same color, especially if you love them. If you guys were wondering how much the Mitchell the Sub-Zero Highlight collection is from Mitchell. This is originally $49.95, but it is now on sale for $39.95. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like this look. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do some YouTube videos, a lot more of them. I know it's been really hard. Again, my space is very limited, so it might not be as often. I am more active on my Instagram, so be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll put a screen record on here on my phone for you guys. Also, I did create a feature page on Instagram called Blending Vanity. Be sure to follow Blending Vanity, tag them, and also hashtag Blending Vanity for a chance to be featured. I hit 15K on YouTube like recently, and I haven't even like announced that to you guys, so woo, happy 15K. I'm so thankful for you guys. Hopefully I will do a giveaway for YouTube only, my YouTube subscribers only. Well, thank you guys so much again for tuning into this video. So give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe down below if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you know when I make new videos, and I'll see you guys next time.